Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram given. The oscillator circuit shown in the figure has an ideal inverting amplifier. Its frequency of oscillation is. So we are going to specify what is the equation for frequency of oscillations of the given circuit. If you clearly observe this circuit, at that time it will be consisting of three RC networks. One RC, second RC network, third RC network. This diagram is going to be treated as RC phase shift oscillator. RC phase shift oscillator. Okay, which generates a sinusoidal waveform. Okay, and the equation for this one is going to be F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 6 into RC. So this is what the equation for the frequency of oscillations, and this amplifier is given as ideal inverting amplifier, that is providing 180 degrees, and these three RC networks are going to be combinedly providing one more 180 degrees, so that the total phase shift provided by this oscillator circuit is 0 degrees or 360 degrees. Okay, that is the important phase criteria of Barkhausen that has to satisfy to produce sinusoidal oscillations. Okay, and for this one, if there may be some other circuit also where the circuit can be, the RC network can be used in this way also. This is also RC network. Okay, so if the RC network is going to be replaced with this RC network at that time, what will be the frequency of oscillations? Okay, what will be the frequency of oscillations if you are replacing with this one with ideal inverting amplifier along with this network? So by that time, the frequency of oscillations for this one is exactly similar to this one, but the thing is nothing but root 6 will appear in the numerator now. Root 6 by 2 pi RC. Remember this one. If it is going to be capacitor, this is capacitor is going to be used in this way. Okay, and resistor is connected to ground. By that time, the diagram is going to be 1 by 2 pi root 6 RC. If the capacitor is grounded, at that time it is root 6 in the numerator and 2 pi RC in the denominator. This is the difference you must able to remember. Okay, so the answer for this question is A. A is the right answer for this question. Thank you.